And good morning, guys. Gary from Gary's Grails. It is this o'clock, or it was when I left the homestead today to head out. Black Friday, busiest shopping day of the year. Hopefully these stores are having some sales. I'm parked in front of a GameStop right now, over off of Wax Pool Road in Virginia. Gonna see what they have inside. Target right across the street here, so they open at 6. So I've got time to comb this place and see if there's any bargains. I don't know. You know, GameStop's notorious for having their prices a little higher than everybody else. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see what's happening. Hope you guys had a great, safe, happy Thanksgiving. Filled your bellies, watched a little football, spent time with the family and maybe friends or both. I know I did, so appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to all Gary's Grails content. But that's not what you're here for. You're here for the hunt. So let's get inside and see what we can find. But first, the intro. All right, guys, here we are at GameStop off of Wax Pool Road. Right away, they've got all the holiday special Protocol Droid, Jawa, and Salacious, and the Scout Trooper. Got some big multiverse statues from the new Aquaman movie. Sunken Citadel Pirate, and as we've seen these guys. Anti-Monitor and the ones from the Blue Beetle and Black Manta. That's a new one. Excuse me. Got your Star Wars helmets. Let's move over here to some action figures. Spawn, Reaper, seen Plague, got some DC, there's that Hawkman, that's a very cool figure. Swinging around, they got a Magneto, Avalanche, some Havoc, some Spidey retro carded, Joe's, Steel Core, Troopers, it's a 2-pack. Excuse me. Here's a Desert Camo Snake Eyes. They got a few Crimson Vipers. Okay. Superpowers. Apex, that's based on that video game, I think. And some wrestlers. Kenny Omega. What makes that limited edition? The orange. Is that supposed to be red hair? I don't even know. So, there's Flash, Supes, Superpowers. Got some Indiana Jones. You got the Marcus and Renee Belloc 2-pack. And it's like Indy Marion and a couple other from the Dial of Destiny. Let's go over here. Assassin Droid. We've seen these. Excuse me. Here we go. It's from the video game. Grievous. Some Jedi carded stuff. Luke. Queequeg. More Grievous down there. Five Nights at Freddy's. Let's see. Original Batmobile. Bat Raptor. Let's turn sideways. Let's see. Jim Gordon as Batman. Aquaman figure. Arsenal. There's Black Manta from the Aquaman movie. And a couple Aquamans back there. I've never seen Superpowers 3-pack. That's kind of cool. Peacemaker, Judo Master, and Vigilante. Huh. And below it, they've got one Marvel Legends 3-pack, Thor and the Destroyer, and the Grey Hulk and Banner, but still regular price. Marvel comic sign, kind of cool. And a few Legends. Looks like Hawkeye, Elena Belova, Captain Marvel, Photon, Agatha Harkness, Kingpin back there, and Mark 1 Iron Man. All right, I'm going to take another lap around. If I see anything else, I'll pick up the video. All right, I'm whispering. I'm the only one in here, but I don't want to be taking over the joint. They were nice enough to let me film. I asked the clerk if I could do that, and she said yes. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute. All right, here we are at Target, Wax Pool Road, 6 a.m. Black Friday. There was a small line to get in. Not bad. First we come across was Orlando. Shocker. This area is a little bit disheveled, actually. It looks like most of the same stuff we've seen so far. So we're just gonna move right over to the main toy area. No idea what to expect, to be honest with you. At a glance, it all looks to be the same, at least in wrestling. Rock, Mr. Perfect, Triple H, $1 Million Man, is that Hollywood Hogan, Triple H, Map Room Indies, Turtles, still hanging tough. Let's see. Jurassic, not a lot here actually. Look, kind of barren. Interesting. Okay. Yes, I did notice some Jurassic to the end cap. That's cool. So Black Friday, mix and match toy brands. Buy one, get one 50% off. Fisher Price, Monster Jam, Marvel. Okay, WWE. So buy one, get one half off. Well, let's see if we can. That's that damn Blackbird. Well, let's see here. Anything worth taking a peek at? Looks like all the same stuff, guys. To be honest, look at it. Predator, Frankenstein. The gargoyles down there. Gotta catch my breath. Oh. Getting too old for this. Let's see. If we're gonna find anything that we want, it's gonna be down this aisle. There's a retro Moon Knight up there chilling. They still got the Venom Space Knights here. There's a 97 Bishop. How you doing? Got the same Marvel Legends. So far, nothing grabbing my attention, guys. Tiger Force Flints, of course, Dusties. McFarlane still got all the Aquaman from the new movie. They got the, now they label, they got more of the bat wings. $20, guys. It was $40, so it's half off by itself. Not too shabby. Let's go over to NECA and see what's doing. Okay, collector spot. I know people are finding the new Spider-Man, the Spider-Men, the No Way Home guys at Walmart, so I'm gonna hit one on my way home. And probably one more Target. This might be an early day. Of course, what would Black Friday be without a creepy Coraline appearance? There she is. Look at that big old Pennywise plush. Down here in NECA, looks like no restock at this time. Well, and they got the comic book pops. All right, I'm going to take another pass around, and if I see anything, obviously we'll pick up the video. Hope you guys are having a good day. Anybody else doing what I'm doing right now at 6 a.m.? Let me know in the comments. All right, I'll see you in a minute. All right, here we are at Walmart. So far, it looks like business as usual. Transformers, Moving into the turtles. We've seen. Oh, let's see. Kind of looking ahead. Not a lot of hope for this Target when you see the same old Marvel Legends. I guess there's going to be no new Spider-Man No Way Home figures today, unless they're down there, which I don't think they are. Look at this, literally one Flash. Oh, we got a couple more. Duke Thomas from McFarlane. Nothing else. Superpowers, no restock. Titan series. Micro Galaxy. Overpriced Boba Fett. This is very disappointing, guys. You really think that being the busiest shopping day, supposedly, of the year, they'd have more stock out and ready to go. You know, what are we waiting for? AEW looks the same. WWE. Here's a Ruthless Aggression MVP. Something to look at. It's not a good look for the Miz. There's the Rock and Roll Rock. Something to look at. Superstars, Typhoon. Bret the Hitman Hart, which we saw. There's a Ultimate Triple H. That's a possibility. We check out the head sculpts. The one on the right looks the best to me. I got two of those and two Bret the Hitman Hart. I would love to have bumped into the CM Punk version of this. Some people have found it. That's really what I want. That's like my most sought after item right now, and I think it's a Walmart exclusive, but not at this Walmart. WWE Basics and G.I. Joe is the same usual suspects. Wow, I got up early for nothing. Really, I haven't bought a thing. I have a budget. I was ready to spend it all, but we still got the collectible section over here to check out. Let me take one more pass down here. If I see anything, obviously pick up the video. If not, I'll see you guys over at the collectible section. All right, thanks. Over here at the little collectible corner, guys, and absolutely nothing new. I mean, I'm not even pointing things out because you watch my videos at this Walmart, you've seen them all before. Everything. Just as it was. So I've got one more Target, my home base Target, to check out. Maybe we'll find something there, fingers crossed. But hey, it's all about the hunt, right? So stick around, guys. Pick this up as soon as I drive about 8 minutes. Get you back in the loop again. All right, I decided to hit an Ollie's before I go home. Because so far, I've been very disappointed in this toy hunt. And right now, it looks like the same Star Wars stuff they've had. The Snake Eyes, G.I. Joes, Fortnite, D&D. They got these Ronin that they've had. Let's go. Now let's see. The word Joe's down here before. Now they're not. Black Panther. You got some Star Wars. You got Dengar for what? $9.99. Mixed in with some Eternals. Let's see. I don't see anything else up here. Looks like the Joes are cleaned out. No Tomac, Samot. They had a bunch of Sergeant Slaughter. We've already got him, but even those are gone. Let's see. Scarlet. Yeah. There's a Baron Zemo. We've got him. Okay. Well, I know there's a guy that came in ahead of me to just pick something off the shelf. I don't know what it was, but probably something cool that I wanted to buy. Go down and find their main toy aisle. Jeez. Sorry. Thank you. Good stuff. Yeah, there's a guy down the aisle. A dash cam. A 720p dash cam for $10. It's one of those little last minute tchotchkes. All right. Let's go down here anyway. So, same legends. Doctor Strange. Snake Eyes Joe's. Doesn't look good. Lots of D&D. Lots. There's a little 375. Star Wars. Got Han Solo. Moff Gideon. Ahsoka. So Bobby the Brain. Oh, let's see. Regular, not the flocked one, but oh, more Black Panther Legends. Those are pretty thick. They must have just got a big shipment of those in. But, man, no Joes. What a bummer. Yep. I could have slept in, guys. I know it's probably not as entertaining at Toy Hunt when I don't find much of anything. I guess I could just buy this and some whiskey and call it a day. Yeah, that looks like it. Here we go. Last hope. There's some stuff on the peg. Lucha. Mil Mascares. Lots of 375. Mandos. Lots. Bianca Belair. Basic. More Dengar. Space Jam. The wannabe Hot Wheels. Well, that looks like it's it, guys. All right, I actually filmed this after the last Target, but I'm going to put the video before it because I already did the closing. And I lied to you when I said your grails are out there. Well, maybe yours are. Mine are not. One last pass at the table. Shazam. Yeah, that's it, guys. All right. Well, I think I'm going to go home and go back to bed for a couple hours. So much for the Ollie's Black Friday. All right. My work here is done.
Hello, sir. How are you?
How are you? Have a good day.
Happy Black Friday.
Thank you. Usually don't film when I'm exiting the store, but lady wished me happy Black Friday, so it really wasn't, but I appreciate the gesture nonetheless. So I'll say it again. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you guys. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad, all that good stuff. I'll see you next time. Actually, I'll see you at the next Target. This is usually the first Target on my stop. Today it's the last one. So let's see what we can see. Okay. It's a little darker. They've added a top shelf. So wrestling. Honky Tonk, Triple H, Undertaker, Mr. Perfect, The Rock, Greg the Hammer Valentine. The gang's all here. Here's that 4-pack set. Then, now, forever. Not too much happening in Star Wars land. Oh boy. Let's see. turtles, fully stocked. Jurassic. Still, I would probably pick up that Hammond collection T-Rex if I found one. For some reason, Nick Fury's are over here. My Star Wars. But nothing new. Let's spin around. Just sitting deep with Warrior, Gamoras, Kingpin, Agatha Harkness, Scarlet Witch. Or, I think maybe, well, 3 of 4 anyway. Okay. This big old Optimus Prime. Oh, let's see. Nothing for, yeah, just Magnetos and Bishops for X-Men 97. Oh boy. Farland's got the Hawkman and Aquaman. There it is, kids. Your Black Friday drop of the week. Wonder Woman. Got this multiverse Superman, but I'm not feeling that head sculpt at all. Are you? I don't know. Taking a step back, I do see the collection. That's Sinestro, which we found last week. And that looks to be it. More Batwings, $20. I picked one up last week. They've even got them on the end cap here. That's the Indoraptor. All right. Got your Hot Wheels Pirates over there doing their thing. All right, let's see. Okay, Pops, Aliens. This is the first time I've seen the. I saw my buddy Dean, Geek Strong, put his logo up right there for you. He picked this up a few weeks ago. I don't want it, but it's huge. Look at this thing. Nasty, right? It's the first time seeing it in the wild. So, I got a few of them. That looks like the only new NECA. Yeah. Bob Ross, Mr. Myers, Alf, Juliana. Okay. You know, what can I say? She follows me everywhere. Creepy, creepy Coraline. All right, there's a cart over there. I'm going to look at the boxes and try to get a glimpse if anything's out there. But if not, this may be the end of this hunt, guys. Hope your Black Friday shopping goes better than mine. I seem a little contradictory when I do say, your grails are out there. Go find them. I'll see you next time.